recap. We back to it, baby. Shit's calm as it is. 4 hour. We are in premium, and we actually did turn bullish on the 4 hour structure eventually, but we're still looking for shorts down into discount, and because we've just taken this top side, so yeah, looking for shorts. And then the 15 is also bearish. And also in London it was bearish, and it just broken bearish on the 15. So we're looking for some shorts, but there was nothing really. Like, there was, fuck, what was it? Maybe this order block? No, there was one I was looking at. At like 10 a.m. Which order block was it? One at like 9 a.m. I think it was this one. But it wasn't that good. Hold the fucking phone. This one. This one here, yeah. And it was not that strong, which is obviously why on a yes it was better. And obviously after the change of character, got to tap into it. And then looking for a short continuation. Tap into it here. Then scaling down, it would have been, this is a tap A. Stops like just up here. Shit was actually closed. Damn, I didn't even see that. Then targeting like either halfway of this fair value gap. Oh, it was actually good on ES. Or the little 1 minute order block. But the 1 minute order block wouldn't have been TP. Oh, maybe with spread. But when it come up, I would have been out. But when price moves with aggression to order blocks like this, you don't really want to get in. So then I'd probably look for the turning. Like, that little 1 minute respect there is nice. Is this it? 10:30. No, it's, oh, here. At this point, it nearly taps it, so on NASDAQ would probably be in. And this is the one that doesn't run that far. Like, I'd be aiming for like at least halfway of this 1 minute. And as you can see, would eventually get stopped out with stops just above here. Even if I got tapped in, spread might have done it. Yeah, spread would have definitely done it. Can't even fucking... Yeah, spread would have done that, but on NASDAQ, the order block was not nearly as good as it was on ES. Like, you see that? That one's with much better displacement. And then there was nothing above, so, and it was good movement away, so I was definitely looking for the tap and then the bang away. Obviously, because it's Asian, I'd be scaling down time frame. Because ES was better, I should have been looking there, actually. But it also is a bit weird when it gets close to it, and then doesn't tap, and then it re-taps. That's normally not that good. But here it was okay. Spread probably would have stopped out. That's why when it moves with aggression to your entry, you cancel orders and wait for something better. Potentially this is the something better. Probably would be, but it's tight. But anyways, that was the Asian one. So yeah, actually I could have been in on that shit. Just wait for the... But the order block, the whole concept is the order block, and it wasn't that good. But obviously we are 4 hour bullish, so we wouldn't look for any long continuation. And we are bullish, like it turns off of this. But I could tell it wasn't going to go bullish because 15's just breaking bearish. Broken bearish. And yeah, it's kind of just a sweep. But we also swept the highs on the 4, so we were pretty bearish there. But for London, I was pretty bearish just because we're in premium, obviously. 4-hour was bullish, but change of character here. We had London low, New York, fucking hell, Asian low down here. Asia low down there. Asia low, which doesn't get tapped. Actually, no, sorry. I'm fucking retarded. Obviously, we have the bullish reaction, but our 15 is still bearish. And it's chop, like absolute horse shit. I was looking, there was not even a 1 minute order block. Like, holy shit. Just absolute actual chop shit. Right? So I was looking for something bearish from above, like an order block or something. And what do we have marked out? It was like a 4-hour one. Yeah, little 4-hour shits. And then what is that up there? Must be a 5. Yeah, a tiny little 5. Obviously was not coming that far. And there was just nothing to come bearish off of. Like literally. Obviously it came bearish eventually. And then sweeps the bottom. And then I'm up. I'm looking for something to come bearish. Little order block there, but chop afterwards. No good displacement candle. There was... like, this is the only thing. And that's not a good order block because the displacement away is weak as piss. And like, yeah, it taps into it and comes bearish. But that's a shitty position anyways. It'd be like that. Stops would have to be high. Like, obviously it was with bias. Like, we knew this shit was bearish, and it's been pretty bearish after coming topside. Like I was saying, oh, it'll displace away because it was so weak during Asian. It'll displace topside, grab something, yeah, manipulate higher and come lower. And it did manipulate higher, then came lower. But like, fuck, like what even? There's nothing to get in off of. Like nothing internal gets made. No 15. Like there's no fair value gap even. Like yeah, there's this order block here, which isn't that good, and it doesn't even get remotely tapped on either. There's no breakers, right? Like this order block has been tapped, filled fully. Just there ain't nothing. Like I didn't miss anything. I checked like 10 times, and there was just like 1 minute maybe. But I'm not just gonna end off just a 1 minute. What is that tab? Oh, that one that we already did. And that wasn't even a good order block. Like on ES was nicer. Could have taken it. And it's a 15 with 15 bias, so as you can see it runs like well, and we'd only do a short term little position, so it'd be okay, but nothing good. Like this order block, you could say this breaker, but then it'd be the bottom of the breaker, and that gets tapped like down here, so you'd be stopped out if you got in down there. Like, nah, there ain't. When it does manipulate higher here, all it comes and fills is like 1 minute imbalance and 1 minute fair value gap and 1 minute order block. But that ain't good enough. Like it does this stupid wick shit, and then it manipulates up again to stop loss hunt, and then it runs bearish, but like, ugh. just today's shit. The Asian, definitely viable, only on ES because it was better, and it had absolutely dumped through its low. So that's, and it also, it got this low, so that's kind of a SMT divergence coming topside, but with the 4 hour bullish bias. But we are in premium, so yeah, that could have been an okay little move bearish, but like, yeah. Which one actually? This one's the one that actually taps into it at 11. Yeah, but it moves with such force. When it moves with such force, it will like stop you out, and then it will normally turn actually, but you don't want to have tight stops when it's shit like this. Have to enter off of this like bearish candle here. Probably be targeting there anyways. That's a good position, but and now I see it, so it's okay. Alright. And it has the help of the imbalance, obviously, which is always good. You kind of like want that. When there's an order block, you want to have the displacement away. Well, you need to. You need to have the displacement away and the fair value gap slash imbalance below it. Or above it, whatever the order block is. But yeah, that's that. Dubs.